Good morning, Sila Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sila Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Silo Family.
I'm Victoria.
Y yo soy Nicolás.
Happy Thursday, December 1st.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Hey, do you like cold weather or warm weather?
I like.
Well, it's definitely getting colder.
Let's hear today's weather forecast.
Good morning, Sila Woods. It's getting cold. Yesterday it was really wet. Now it's 49 degrees and sunny. This afternoon it will be 51 degrees and partly sunny. Now back to our host.
Let's see what Mr. Ryan and the cafeteria staff have planned for lunch today.
Today's lunch options are cheese or pepperoni pizza, sweet kernel corn, veggie bites, and a variety of fruits. Now back to our host.
Yum, pizza.
Please make sure to thank the staff in the cafeteria.
Yesterday, every day. Yes. Every day, the cafeteria staff works diligent to feed as many hungry Silo wolves.
Yesterday we started our riddle time.
Do you know the answer to the riddle?
Let's find out.
Hi, Sila Wolves. Yesterday, I had a riddle for you. Do you remember it? Let me say it again. If I have a yellow hat and drop it into the Red Sea, what happens to the hat? This one can trick you easily. Did you get it? It gets wet. The sea called the Red Sea, but the sea is called Red Sea, but it's not actually red. So it won't change the color of the hat. Tricked ya. Now back to our host.
Thanks for the riddle.
Have you been watching the World Cup?
Team USA is doing great.
Here at Sila, we have respect for each other and always lift each other up.
After winning the game against Iran, Team USA, they showed excellent sportsmanship and kindness.
Let's have a look.
We can see Team USA players demonstrating excellent character traits. Go Team USA. As we get better at making the news,
We get more organized.
we will try to celebrate birthdays every day.
Now for birthday celebrations.
Happy birthday to you.
Today we have two birthday celebrations. We have B in Miss Fairgree's class and Nemias in Miss Chavez' class. Happy birthday, guys.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Today positive affirmation is
Believe you can and you will.
today is B Day in middle school.
I'm Victoria.
Y yo soy Nicolás.
Have a great day, Sea Wolves.
See you later, alligators.
Adios.